How to blur face without app on phone. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open a specific photo that you have over here. Use your gallery by the way. And you're going to click on your edit icon over here or the pencil icon at the bottom. And over here, you're going to simply scroll down to the right and there should be a mosaic option. Now, generally, for all devices on Android, you will be able to find it under the basic option. It could either be in the filter, in the doodle, or somewhere around this area. But for my device, I have here the mosaic. So simply select mosaic. And you can select all kinds of style that we could use here. Maybe this one as you can see. But if you want to go with the traditional mosaic, we could just go with this one. And you will be able to mosaic the faces of people's face or blur their faces over here as you can see. We could even adjust it a bit. So let's say this one. There's different styles, so we could also make it smaller. There we go. Then you could also redo it or undo it by simply using the erase option over here. So there's also this blur one over here, which is if you don't want the mistake, there's also this blur option that you could utilize. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.